Two galaxies are heading straight for each other right now, and there is absolutely nothing in the universe that can stop them. Right now, as you watch this, a galaxy containing over 1 trillion stars is hurtling toward the Milky Way at 110 kilometers every single second. Not drifting, not wandering, aimed. And the collision has already begun. If that doesn't terrify you, it should, because when galaxies collide, the universe does something so violent, so incomprehensibly massive, that it makes every war, every explosion, every disaster in human history look like a single match struck in the middle of a hurricane. If you're new here, hit like and subscribe right now because what we cover on this channel will completely change how you see the universe. So what actually happens when two galaxies crash into each other? Most people imagine it like a car crash, metal crushing metal, fire, instant destruction. But galaxies don't work that way, and that's where the real shock begins. A galaxy is mostly empty space. The distances between individual stars are so enormous that when two galaxies collide, the stars almost never physically hit each other. Instead, something far stranger happens. The gravity of both galaxies grabs everything, every star, every gas cloud, every dark matter thread, and begins pulling it into a cosmic dance of pure chaos. Stars get flung out into deep space like bullets. Gas clouds slam together and compress so violently that they ignite into thousands of new stars all at once. The very shape of both galaxies, arms, cores, spirals, get stretched, warped, and twisted into something completely unrecognizable. Scientists have a name for these newly formed monsters. They call them starburst galaxies, regions where stars are being born at a rate hundreds of times faster than normal. The collision doesn't just destroy, it creates. And what it creates is both beautiful and terrifying. But here is the twist that almost nobody talks about. The Milky Way, your galaxy, the one Earth sits inside, has already survived a collision. Billions of years ago, it consumed a smaller galaxy called Gaia Enceladus. The evidence is still written in the orbits of ancient stars scattered through our galaxy like fossils. We are already the aftermath of a collision. We are already the survivors. And yet, the next one is coming. The Andromeda Galaxy, 2.537 million light-years away and visible to the naked eye on a clear night, is on a direct collision course with the Milky Way. Scientists have calculated this with extraordinary precision. In approximately 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will begin their first close pass. Over the next few billion years, they will orbit each other, pull each other apart, merge, separate, and merge again until finally they form one giant elliptical galaxy. Astronomers have even named the result. They call it milkomeda. Now here is the part that will genuinely shake you. When Andromeda and the Milky Way collide, the odds of any two stars physically crashing into each other are almost zero. Earth will likely survive. The Sun will likely survive. But our entire night sky will transform into something unimaginable, dense with stars, blazing with new stellar nurseries, the core of Andromeda rising on the horizon like a second center of the universe. If any human civilization exists 4.5 billion years from now, they will stand on Earth and look up at a sky we would not recognize. And this is happening everywhere. Right now, across the observable universe, thousands of galaxy collisions are underway. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has captured them, frozen in time, mid-merger, their spiral arms stretched into glowing bridges of stars and gas. Some of the most powerful objects in the known universe, quasars, are born from these collisions, when the supermassive black holes at the centers of two galaxies spiral toward each other and release more energy than an entire galaxy of stars combined. The universe is not a quiet place. It is a battlefield of gravity, constantly reshaping itself. Galaxies collide, black holes merge, new stars are born from the wreckage of old ones. And somewhere in all of that chaos, on a small rocky planet orbiting an ordinary star in the outer arm of a galaxy already shaped by past collisions, you are here, watching, wondering. So here is the question I'll leave you with, and I want your answer in the comments below. If you could witness a galaxy collision from a safe distance, would you want to? Or does the scale of it make you feel something you don't quite have words for? Because that feeling, that's exactly what the universe is trying to tell you. Like this video and subscribe for more mind-bending science every week.